Comparison operators. These are the operators that are used to perform comparison. In our today's session, we are going to learn the comparison operators in C#. Hi, this is Sahana. Welcome to my channel, Just Pick and Learn. In C#, there are four comparison operators. They are less than, greater than, less than or equal. Then the fourth one is greater than or equal. One thing that you should know about these operators is they take two operands. One is left hand operand and the other one is right hand operand. And one more thing is the return type is either true or false. Here is the table that compares these operators. Let's take the example of less than operator. Here is the symbol. And this returns true if the left hand operand is less than right hand operand. You can refer to this table to find out the information on other operators. Now I'm going to show you the practical example. The IDE that I am going to use is Visual Studio 2022 and the application type that I am going to create is console application. One more thing is you need not worry about the specific version of Visual Studio. You can use whichever the one you have, or if you want to work with different IDE, no issues, you can go ahead and use that. I'm using a console application type because this is simple to create and easy to understand. I have opened my Visual Studio. Now click on Create New Project. Choose the console application template type. Click on Next. Give some meaningful name. Click on Next. Here I am choosing the .NET Framework version .NET Core 3.1. Click on Create. Here is our console application. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this line and I'll declare two operands, operand 1 and operand 2. We need one more variable to store the result. Because the return type of these operators is either true or false, I'll use the data type bool and I will say result. Okay, we will start comparing them. Okay, we will start with less than operator. We are going to store it in a result variable. We will compare the operand 1 with operand 2 and the result will be stored in the variable result. Now we will do the same thing for all the operators. Now this time this is going to be greater than operator and let's change the symbol to greater than. If we run this code, we won't get anything on the screen because we are not displaying the output. We are just storing the result in a variable. We need to print that on the console window. Only then we can be able to see the output. To do that, we have to write console.writeLine result. I'll run this. Let's see the output. Okay, here is the output. Less than operator is returning true because the 100 is less than 200. Yeah, this is okay. Now greater than operator is returning false because the greater than operator returns true only if the left hand operand is greater than right hand operand. So this is fine. Okay, now the less than or equal operator is returning true because the operand 100 is less than 200. This is fine. Fourth operator greater than or equal is returning false. This is because 100 is less than 200. You can use the same example and you can try to change the input. One more thing that you can change in this example is here we have hard coded the values. Instead of hard coding the value, you can receive the input from the user, that is from the console window. So you can try to experiment with the example. If you want to know how the console application works, what it is and why it is used, then I have a dedicated video on my channel. I'll keep the link in the description box and you can have a look. And if you are interested in knowing about the data types, then I have a video. You are free to go there and check the videos. Thanks for your time and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks again. See you in my next video.